I said before, it is winter time. It's highly cold outside. I gotta keep opening this garage to let the fumes out. Welcome back to Easy E's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. And as y'all can see from the thumbnail, I'm just going to be painting some fender flares as a favor to one of my co-workers at work that purchased these fender flares. And like they're coming in matte black. And he's showing them to me. I'm like, no, that's plastic black, bro. So he wants me to paint them with a real gloss black. So I'm going to do a jet black. But first I got to use a sealer primer on them. They've already been scuffed up. I did all that off camera before I even started the camera, so I already scuffed them up, everything up, with real fine Scotch Brite. I'm all scuffed up, got the floor wet. I ain't trying to make this long video. It's gonna be like get to the point, short and sweet. Just doing a little simple paint job. Already, like I said, already wax and grease removed, tacked them off. Got the wax and grease one more time. I'll check that out in a minute. I see a little shiny spot. But like I said, I'm just doing a favor for a co-worker. Getting his fender flares painted for his Suburban that he got off Amazon. So I'm just gonna jump on right onto it. And by the way, if you don't know, it's winter time outside, y'all. It's only 10 degrees outside. So that's why I have been making videos. I can't make videos on painting cars until the spring. So y'all get back at me. I'm losing subscribers left and right. But I catch y'all back. About to throw 2 coats of primer on here. Silver primer, then the black, then the clear coat. Then I'll be done. Here. I am painting the garage. I'll shut that off for a minute. I am painting in the garage. Got my mask on. Had to open the door every once in a while, let all the fumes out. But we have the fender flares primed in. And I actually used the rest of my sealer primer. So I have to go buy me another gallon. I have to wait for these to dry before I start painting again. Hopefully I don't have that much trash in my paint. And if y'all wondering what I was using, that's my primer. I was using this right here, this Transtar 1K speed sealer. Ideal for spot and panel refinishing, excellent leveling properties, and provides a good DOI and top coat hold. 1 gallon of it at K&K Auto Body Supplies over in Gary, Indiana, off of Ridge Road in Burr. This is where I go get all my painting supplies from my gun. Not from the gun I was using. My primer gun is from Harbor Freight. But the gun I spray my clear coat with, right there, that's from K&K. I'll be using a different gun today from Harbor Freight to shoot my color with. So I'll be having to clean 3 guns when I'm done with all this. But let me get back to action. Like I said, I was doing a favor for a co-worker, getting his fender flares painted for his Suburban. So let me turn this repeater heater back on and get these panels dry so I can hit them paint. Well, we have the coats of black on. Still a little bit foggy in here. Still gotta get used to using that new gun. But we have the black on there. And my paint will get better once it's springtime and it's hot outside. Still cold up in here. Got those mishaps right there. My paint goes dripping paint. Moving it in. Right there. 2 little droplets. But I ain't gonna bore y'all. I'm about to throw this drip coat on here and call it a wrap. said, that's gonna be a wrap. And like I said before, it is winter time. It's highly cold outside. I gotta keep opening this garage to let the fumes out. I do not have a paint booth, so I do get trash in the paint. Feeling the clear. As y'all can see, it's not a perfect, y'all can see that it's not a perfect paint job, but it can be color sanded and buffed out. But like I said, these are fender flares, so they're gonna get messed up anyway. And we do the best we can do over here at Easy E's Rebuilds. I wish I did have a paint booth to suck all the contaminants out the air, but I don't. So I gotta keep this garage heated and paint at the same time. And these parts get cold, and the clear coat always like to run in the cold. I'm only experiencing this with the clear coat running because it's so cold, and it gets cold in here real quick. Can't keep that computer heater running, so I'm gonna do my farewells. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We do what we can do, what we got to work with. We make things happen over here. We make it do what it do. Easy E's Rebuilds, y'all. And with all that said, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below and share this video if you would. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And we also have merch at teespring.com. There's a link in the description area below. And we also take Cash App donations, and there's also a link in the description area below. Go check out the description area below. So follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And we just started doing TikTok. So we got Easy E's Rebuilds on TikTok. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Peace.